Update your existing fluorescent lighting with LEDs using Indigo-Clean technology and realize the benefit of environmental disinfection. With the flick of your lighting switch, this simple-to-install retrofit kit has all the screws, lead wires, and connectors that you'll need. Remove the existing ballast by removing the wire compartment cover from the fixture base, then set it aside. Using wire cutters, cut the leads from the ballast to the socket housing on both sides of the fixture as short as possible and push them out of the way behind the existing socket bar. Now cut the leads from the input to the ballast, leaving as much length as possible, and strip 1/4 inch from the end of each lead. This will facilitate easier installation of the driver. With a cordless drill and appropriate drill head, unscrew the ballast and remove it from the fixture base. Set the ballast aside for proper disposal. Mount the driver first by locating a flat area on the fixture base that is within the wiring compartment and, if possible, align the driver with existing crow's feet or mounting holes. Next, install the Indigo-Clean technology LED modules. Peel the liner from the double-sided foam tape and center it in the fixture. Secure the lensed module into position using 3 of the self-tapping lensed module screws. Repeat this process with the remaining lensed module. Gather the red leads from both lensed modules with the loose red wire leads provided. Insert the 3 leads into one of the orange 3-position connectors by pushing the wires into the open slots. With the remaining orange 3-position connector, connect the blue lensed module leads and loose blue lead in the same manner. Insert the loose red and blue wire leads into the 2-position connectors on the driver's noted blue and red position. Now gather the black and white input power leads that were once connected to the fluorescent ballast and insert them into the noted black-white positions on the Indigo-Clean technology Retrofit kit driver. The installation of the Retrofit kit is now complete. Per Intertech requirements, affix the LED relamp label near the wiring compartment cover. Close the lens and secure the lens frame latches. As you can see, it's easy to upgrade to LED using Indigo-Clean technology and start killing harmful bacteria. To learn more about how Indigo-Clean technology safely disinfects spaces on demand, visit Kenall.com.